Hello, this is Matthew Nelson, and in today's video I'd like to show you how to make a quick weekly spending report from downloadable data from Chase Bank. So let's sign in to our credit card accounts and download some activity. So Chase allows you to download all of your transactions, but they do not provide any visualizations. So we can fix that in just a matter of a few minutes. So let's scroll down to the download icon. And then we're first going to download the last statement because this is going to be a weekly basis. The statement date probably falls within the middle of a week. So to see our activity over time, we want complete weeks. And so that needs to be spliced together from two different data sets. So then I downloaded the statement, and now I'll download the activity since that statement. So again, open in Excel. And now I'm going to simply copy and paste to the bottom of my transaction list. And now I can add a week column to the data set. So we're going to use a function called weeknum, and we're going to base that on the transaction date in A2. And I'm going to have my week start on Saturday because I like to match my expenses with my income. So if paychecks are on Friday, then we could match them together. Next thing I'll do is make a pivot table from the insert column and then put that on a new worksheet. Put the week in the rows, the type in the columns, and amount in the values. Now we have payments and sales segregated, and we can see that what I do on a weekly basis is I pay for my previous week's expenses every Friday. So that keeps things really well organized for me. So if we double click on the sale column, we get a drill down. First thing I do is remove unnecessary columns. Like I know this is week 13, and I know this is all sales, and I don't need the post date. So I delete that, make it visible, and then the first thing to do is add a total row. So I can see my total expenses, and then I will sort the data simply by category, then by description, then by transaction date. So this is useful already, but to make it more useful, I add some conditional formatting. So select the amount column, go to conditional formatting, add some color scale, and then the more expensive transactions will pop out. Finally, the next thing I do is add a pie chart. Again, with the Insert tab on the ribbon, go to Pivot Chart, and then I'm going to put it on the same spreadsheet with existing worksheet. We'll put category in the axis and amount in the values. Change the type of chart to pie. Remove the field buttons with a right click. And then I'm going to use a quick layout to just show the amounts. And that's all there is to it. So then you can easily copy and paste this into an email. Both objects will work very well sending an email in Office 365 or Outlook. And that's all there is to it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.